Good morning, YouTube friends, and look what we've got here. It's all red. See that one? Bang! So soft. Wow, look at that. Himalayan mulberry at its best. So soft. Look at that, YouTube friends. More and more red color. I think others are still hard to pick on. That means they're not ready yet. Okay. Look at the beauty of these Himalayan mulberries. Okay, we sneak in down here. I think we will have more. Yeah, here. Okay. Actually, we have already some. That one that fell on the ground again because we have another sets of shower or like heavier than shower last night. So we will expect that we will have some casualties with our fruits here. I mean, fruits that fell on the ground for several hours, and then I thought I closed the door of the chicken coop last night after gathering eggs, only to find it out that all our 5 hens laying chickens were already scratching outside looking for bugs. I thought that flying hen I've heard from the bedroom was from the neighbor, but actually it was ours. And when I get up and do the filming here, only to see those chickens calling me, and yeah, I have to persuade them to get back on inside the chicken coop because it's too early. Imagine before 6 o'clock they're outside already because the door was not closed by myself last night. That was my fault. The good thing here, we're surrounded with solid fence, concrete fence. So there's no dog that can penetrate inside. But I'm worried about the cats because the cats that we have here from our neighbors' cats, they're notorious with not just birds. Of course, chicken is one of the kind of birds, but I saw some of those cats tried to chase 1 or 2 of our chickens. So, and the good thing was there was rain. So, cats have to go into their respective beds wherever they live and sleep. Yeah, some of that feral family are very nocturnal, so I'm worried about my chickens. Yeah, that's a good thing that there was rain. It was an advantage to my chickens. Oh man, I got you. Still have two. See that one here? It's a big one. And some cutie birds. They will fly in here, over here, and then try to peck the top, the bottom end of the fruit. That's why we have some other fruits have some bruises bitten by birds. But anyway, we can just cut that spot and then clean, wash, and we are all good to go. Like this one. I know those early birds were here testing, eating the mulberry fruit here. So YouTube friends, I think I have to give you an update as well during the time that I'll be pruning the local variety of of mulberry, in which I have the control. I can control. I can even let that local variety to fruit for 3 times in a year or 4 times in a year. But Himalayan mulberry, they have their own cycle. If you force them to provide fruits by cutting the old branches, actually they don't. This variety won't give any fruit to you. Even probably some of the branches will die. But you just have to wait for the natural cycle. Once all the leaves of this Himalayan mulberry tree will black off and dies down, and then those little tiny bulb form will emerge and then looks like pregnant, and then later on there's these branches and flowers will come out. So if you can come back to our first video, today is day 27, November 20, 2022. So if you go back the first video, the first day one, you'll see there that tiny bulb form before these fruits gets out and the leaves that we can see here around. So it's very different. So that's the difference between growing Himalayan mulberry and that native variety of mulberry. So I can give you some update to that. I think I'm still busy at school preparing my teaching lessons, and I only have like a day or two every weekend to work on our garden here. So we don't have much time, and like after work usually we arrive here like over 5 p.m. and it's getting dark already. I have to let loose my chicken for a few minutes to be able to scratch, and then we have another work, and then of course prepare for the next day of our work as a teacher. So it's not easy, it's really hard. I'm juggling my time between my work as a teacher and also in the gardening. At the same time, I have to sneak in checking on the current move of the market, and on weekends I do a tournament as well, a small tournament in poker. So it's not easy, it's very very difficult to manage my time, but I'm glad that I'm still here staying afloat regardless of the situation, regardless of the challenges that we have. So YouTube friends, again, let's go back here. This is our another amazing harvest. Actually, the harvest that I had yesterday, I think my wife just cleaned it out, but she haven't started to eat those Himalayan mulberry, and this will be added there in numbers, and we'll have more. And as I promised to you, I'll give you the daily update until the last fruit of this Himalayan mulberry attached to the tree. Thank you once again for watching in our YouTube channel, in our videos. I hope that you'll continue to support with us and keep sharing about this information to others. Let us grow this community into a big one in the next few years. And thank you once again for all your good contributions. See you in the next vlog. Bye.